Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. I'm super excited for today's video because this is my first ever purple haul. Uh, these are all things which I've got, and I thought it's the perfect time to do a haul video because I've never really tried any products from purple.com. And also Purple is having their big beauty blowout sale till 12th of December, so I thought it's the perfect time to do a haul. So you can see if you like any of these products, you can get them on a really great discount. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So I'm starting with makeup first because most of us are interested in makeup. So the first product which I got is this Good Vibes Rose Hip Facial Oil. This is for radiant glow, and this is how the bottle looks like. So this is like a 10 ml facial oil, and I really love facial oils during winters because my skin gets super dry, and facial oils, they really moisturize my skin and keep it hydrated and glowing. So it has a very mild, beautiful scent, and you really need a drop because it does get a little heavy. So you just need a drop, and then you just very nicely massage it on your skin, and it gets absorbed very nicely, and leaves a beautiful, healthy looking glow. So I'm super excited to try this serum. So the next product which I got is this NY Bay lipstick. This is their Confessions of a Lipaholic Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lipstick. So this is how the lipstick looks like. I love the packaging. Uh, Even the wand is pretty nice. So that's how the shade looks like. This is All I Want Is Love 4. I think that's the shade name. Is a beautiful reddish pink lipstick. I love the undertones, and I'm wearing it on my lips. It's the perfect lip color to wear during this time of the year, like for party seasons, weddings, and just during Christmas. This shade looks nice. That's how I feel. It is a tad bit drying, so I have worn a lip balm over it because my lips tend to get a little dry during winters. So just a little lip balm, and my lips are all good. So if you have extremely dry lips, you can avoid this, but if you have normal lips, you can just wear a little lip balm over it, and you're good to go. Yeah, so that's the first lipstick. The other lipstick which I got is from Purple, their own brand. This is their Ultra HD Velvet Matte Lipstick. It's in the shade Wandering Companion. So that's how the packaging looks. The lipstick is pretty sleek, and it's very easy to travel with, like very tiny. You can just fit it in your pocket or a bag, and that's how the bullet looks. It's not the most luxurious packaging, like I can feel it as plastic, but for this price you can not complain. So that's the shade Wandering Companion. It's a beautiful peachy orange color. I love to wear such shades during summers and springtime. So the formula is pretty comfortable. It's not drying. So yeah, it's a beautiful shade. Other thing which I got is this NY Babe Brightening Primer. This gives instant glow, blends like a dream, and hydrating in nature. Yeah, I'll just try it on this hand. So that's how the serum looks. It is little glowy. I think I can see little shimmer particles on it. So they're like tiny shimmer particles in it. It's not really visible. That's how I don't like very glowy primers, but the primer in itself is really good. Like, it's smoothened my skin very nicely. It's just given a blurry effect, like it's smoothened the texture of the skin, which is really nice. So yeah, I'm actually impressed with this primer, and yeah, like really looking forward to using this in a tutorial. The other makeup item which I got is from NY Bay. This is their big apple of my eye kohl. It's water resistant, smudge proof, and dermatologically tested. It's like a normal kohl pencil. So I've just got a basic black kajal just to see how it performs. So that's like a basic black kajal. I've worn it on my eyes today, and like I'm like happy with how this kajal is. It's like with one swipe you get good pigment, and it's smudge proof, water resistant, and yeah, like it's a basic nice kohl pencil. And for this price I think nothing can beat it. It's for 90 rupees only. So yeah, like this is like a really good drugstore kajal pencil if you're looking for something like that. For 90 rupees you can't ask for more. Like really, what else can you get? uh, it's amazing. Maybelline Lakme Kajal, they almost perform exactly like this, so no need to spend on that. This is really good. So the next thing which I got is this Drama Queen gel liner from Stay Quirky. I love the packaging. It's super quirky and nice. I love the bright bold colors. And this is their Drama Queen gel eyeliner. That's how it looks. Again, it's super compact, and you get your brush here. I am impressed with the formula. The pigment, the formula is just glides onto the skin like so easy, so effortless, and I love the pigment. I'm actually going to wear this during a Christmas function, or like just in the festive season. I'm going to wear this. I love, love, love the color. It's a beautiful royal blue and look amazing for evening parties, and the pigment is really nice. So yeah, the first impressions are good, and now let's see how it performs on my eyes. If you want to see reviews of any of these products, do let me know. I usually do quick reviews on my Instagram, so do follow me there on Pretty Me. And I can just if I like some product, I give a quick shout out on my Instagram stories, so keep an eye for that. The other thing which I got is from NY Bay again. It is their Ellis Island eyeliner. I think that's how it's called. This says that it is quick dry formula, water resistant, smudge proof, and thin brush for perfect lines. Highly pigmented, so they have a lot of claims. And that's how the bottle looks. I love the tip, like it's really fine. So if you want precise liner, wing liner, I think this is the way to go. I'll just try on this. Oh, it's really fine. I'm pretty impressed with the liner. Like eye products, they're doing it really great. So that's the liner. It's super fine. So if you're a wing eyeliner girl, this is something you can try. I don't do much liners. I just got it so I can practice it. And it's always good to practice it with cheaper products. Like if I buy a really expensive brand and just waste it trying it, doesn't make sense. So this is really good to try and perfect your wing liner. This is for how much rupees? Let me tell you. So this retails for 149 rupees, and you can definitely find this on discount. So like it's a perfect product to pick up if you want to practice getting a perfect wing liner. And yeah, it's a pretty decent product. So that was it from makeup. I also got few skincare to try their skincare products as well. So from Good Vibes I got their papaya cleanser. This is their brightening face wash, and it's like a gel formula, so I'm pretty excited to trying this. I will keep you posted. I've not opened this yet because I have a cleanser going on right now. Yeah, but this looks pretty decent. The next thing, again, I just got a backup, is aloe vera gel from Good Vibes. Again, like, it's like a basic aloe vera gel, nothing fancy or anything. I love to apply aloe vera gel on my hair because during winters they get really dry, so I like to just coat it nicely on my hair and just use it on my skin, and like normally how you use aloe vera gel. So yeah, that's that. And the other thing which I got from Good Vibes is their papaya glow face mask, so I'm pretty excited to trying this. It looks like a custard. I love the texture of it. um, yeah, it smells of papaya, but like not really over ripe papayas. It's very pleasing, and yeah, like it smells really good. So I'm gonna try this face mask on the weekend, so keep an eye on it on my Instagram, and I'm gonna review it. I love reviewing face masks. um, so yeah, this one says that it helps to fight pigmentation and blemishes, papaya clears skin and leaves it hydrated and supple. So sounds very exciting. um, so yeah, that's that. I also wanted to try this brand called Alps Goodness. I have never tried anything from this. Like, this is my first time I heard this brand. So this is their sandalwood powder. I just got it to do DIY face packs. Again, this one is their Alps Goodness Upton powder. So this one helps for age. This contains age defining properties, helps prevent acne, gives tight pores, gives your skin a firm and youthful look. So it sounds really exciting, like everything what you want for your skin, this does. This is 100% pure and natural, chemical free, pesticide free, preservative free, no animal testing. Sounds really impressive. So yeah, this is an Upton powder. You just put on, so you just have to put water, mix it, make a paste and apply it. So yeah, this is also interesting. And again, this is a normal pack of Multani Mitti I just got for DIY facials. And the last thing which I got is this sheet mask. This is from DermDoc. I don't know how you pronounce that, but this is their skin hydrating cellulose fiber sheet mask. I love trying sheet masks from different brands so I can compare, review, and see how it is. So I just picked one of these. This one retails for how much? There's no price mentioned. I will leave the details of all these products in the description box below, so definitely check it out. And if you like anything, you can get them on sale. All of these products are anyway cheap, like none of them retailed for more than 250 rupees. The first impressions of most of these makeup products were pretty nice, like they were decent, nothing extraordinary, but for 250 rupees you can't really ask for anything more. So if you are starting your makeup journey and you want to try some affordable yet good quality makeup, you can definitely try these brands. Let me know if you want a detailed review of any of these products, and I would love to do it. That's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.